The final stroke. Understanding. Hit the final nail. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to help you polish your language skills. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations, stories, and even in professional settings: hit the final nail. Let's unravel the mystery behind this expression, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own communication. When someone says they're going to hit the final nail, or hit the final nail in the coffin, they're talking about doing the last in a series of actions that will lead to a particular outcome. Usually, this phrase has a somewhat negative connotation, indicating the completion of something in a way that ensures it cannot be reversed or undone. Imagine a coffin being sealed shut with nails. Once the final nail is hammered in, the fate of what's inside is sealed. The expression, hit the final nail in the coffin, has a somewhat morbid origin, coming from the literal act of sealing a coffin with nails before a burial. This imagery has been used metaphorically for centuries to signify the end of something, be it a project, a relationship, or a career. The finality it suggests is powerful, marking an irreversible conclusion. To give you a better grasp of how this phrase is used, let's go through a few examples. In business, the last quarterly report didn't meet our expectations. It hit the final nail in the coffin for our investment in the project. In relationships, after the last argument, she said she was moving out. That was the final nail. In politics, the scandal was the final nail in the coffin for the senator's re-election campaign. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, always indicating a decisive, often terminal, moment. Using hit the final nail in your speech or writing can add a layer of drama or finality to your narrative. Here are some tips. Use it to emphasize the conclusion of events or actions that have led to a definitive end. Be mindful of its negative connotation. It's best used in situations where you want to highlight an irreversible outcome. It can be a powerful tool in storytelling, persuasive writing, or when analyzing events. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of hit the final nail. We hope this video has given you insight into this compelling phrase, enriching your English language repertoire. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories, emotions, and nuances they convey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to hit the final nail in your language learning journey by engaging with real-life examples and incorporating them into your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.